Starting a new business can be a daunting process. Let's examine some of the best practices for starting your new technology startup. Number one, do you have a business plan? I know they're hard to put together. I've written several across my startup companies, but they should be. Forcing you to think through all of the aspects of your idea is a critical exercise. Market research, competitive analysis, sales and marketing strategy, how you'll make money, key milestones, and so on are all important things to think through. So take your time, download a business plan template, and get started. Number two, have you built a prototype or MVP, minimally viable product? Yes, companies have raised lots of money and been successful with just an idea written on a napkin, but that's really rare. Being able to show investors what your idea is and how it could work will make starting your business easier and help you get a faster response from investors. Number three, have you tested your idea with real users? After spending a few years working with one of the top design consulting firms in the country, I learned that true innovation comes from really understanding the humans between our technology, process, and data. Behavioral research and user testing can be the difference between success or failure. Number four, have you earned any revenue yet? Investors love to see that you can actually make money with your idea. Revenue is great, but don't get too excited if it's revenue that doesn't align with your strategic direction. Revenue success can be a false flag if you don't have good product market fit. Number five, are you building on an existing category or creating a totally new category? If the latter, you should really read this book called Play It Bigger, co-written by my friend Dave Peterson, which is all about becoming a category king, like the way Salesforce.com did with their no software approach, creating an entirely new category of enterprise software in the cloud, which we all know now as SaaS, or software as a service. And number six, what is the market opportunity and timing for your idea? Because you really need to know how long that window of opportunity is open for you to fit your idea into the market before another startup competitor pops up, or one of the larger enterprises jumps in and grabs the opportunity. Understanding what the gap is in the market will tell you how fast you need to move, how much money you will need to raise, and how much investment you need to make in marketing and sales to capture market share. So really understanding what that timing is probably one of the most important things you can do for your technology project. Finally, one of the most important things we need to do is always be testing. Always be testing the product market fit by connecting with customers and making sure you're getting the real-time feedback you need. For instance, conduct customer surveys or in-person research, like contextual inquiries where you're actually witnessing users interacting with your product or service. Doing so can be invaluable. After all, some of the best product ideas come from those insights you get from the customers themselves.